down. We've tested this level 1, 2, 3, 4, coming up 5 times now. So the more times we test it, the weaker it gets. So there's a good chance of it being broken. We could see it break down, retest, and then further downside. This would be worst case scenario down here. So that's the most likely scenario looking to happen with all the bad economic news. Goldman Sachs came out this morning and gave a warning of a significant market drop. So with all that news, I don't see Bitcoin bouncing too high. Maybe we could get bounce to this support level, maybe it channels through here and even gets up to this trend line. But most likely we're gonna get downside. Something like this and down. Eventually this will break. So if this breaks, we're gonna get some good shorting opportunities. Here's the ETH 3x short coin on KuCoin. I bought right here. And then we got that good move up to here. I took profits in this area, but I think we're gonna continue on. So if Bitcoin drops, Bitcoin starts going lower, Ethereum will go lower with it. The USD pair, we've got a big double bottom here. So it would be a nice trade. Even if you started from here up to the measured move, it would be a 42% move. So I'm watching that. Over to the ETH chart, the ETH USD chart. Here's on the daily. So here's our big open air here. We've broken this resistance. I think we could easily come down to this level. I'll be taking profits there. And then there's lots of resistance and buy orders right at this level. So we'll probably have something like this, maybe lower. And then we'll decide what to do down here when the time comes. But we are still in the overall downtrend and everything. So just to keep it easy, just keep following this until this big channel breaks. So buy the lower trend, sell the top. Over to the stock market, you can see we broke this support level here. This is on the daily chart. So we're just hanging on by a thread here. So we're either gonna it's gonna get bought up and head up to this trend line. You can see this support level. I doubt it would break this channel. Or with all the bad news, all the bad economic news, and everything going on in the world right now, I could see this happening. So just prepare for the two situations. We got an awesome short if this plays out, and if we get a little bounce, I'd be careful. You could ride the little bounce, but it's getting weaker and weaker. You can see lower highs, so you might just get a mini bounce to here and then roll over again. So right now I like shorting. So anytime it hits support level, I'm putting in a short. I buy a bit here, short E3S short, buy a bit here, and I'll show you what the dollar's doing. So the dollar looks like it's gonna move up. This is on the daily chart on the dollar. There's a good chance that we move up to here, possibly here, and break out of this channel. Here's the measured move. So the dollar could take right off.